In this new release of Simcenter 3D, we have enhanced the thermal output type of co-simulation interface's simulation object to allow the selection of different sources of heat flux to exchange with external solvers. With this new enhancement, you can now choose between all convective, radiative, thermal loads, or orbital heat flux sources computed on a specific part of your model. In this example, a spacecraft model has been created in Simcenter 3D Space Systems Thermal to compute the temperatures and heat fluxes of solar arrays during a specific orbit mission. By performing a co-simulation using the thermal output co-simulation interface, you can send specific orbital heat fluxes absorbed by the solar arrays to the Simcenter AIM-SIM spacecraft model at specified time intervals. Here, we just sent the albedo and solar heat fluxes computed during the orbital mission. In Simcenter AIM-SIM, a system model, including components such as solar arrays, batteries, and equipment electrical loads, is used to model the battery charge and discharge cycles and conduct a power budget analysis. Here, we receive the heat flux and temperature data at every communication time points, and the solar array component computes the output power generated by the solar panel. As a result, you can accurately evaluate the battery state of charge for the whole spacecraft's mission.